Uh-oh. Motor doing a 360 ain't a good thing. That's why this is a two-person's job, man. Yeah, you too little to handle the little part. Oh, you got it. Daddy got it. Yep, I got it. Thank you, man. Okay, hold on. Here we go, big boy. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. You ready? We're going to lower it down in there, okay?
Okay.
In a nice, clean chassis.